Isa rin sa mga most frequent questions sa ano natin, sa inbox natin. Saan ang mayroong KTV room? Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Wherein Pampanga guys para sa video na to. Welcome to Cyril's Diner dito po sa Balibago, Angeles City. Actually guys, this is our second time to be here. But to our surprise, napakalaki po ng pinagbago ng restaurant na to. From our initial visit doon sa kanilang humble start now, look at this place. Napakalaki po ng kanilang property. So, I wanna show you more about this place. I wanna show you the amenities and of course the food na pinatikim po nila sa amin. So, if you wanna know more about this, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! So, ayun guys, let's start our tour dito sa kanilang second level. Actually, second level ng kanilang dining area. So at first guys, yung first level natin has become their parking area. Before yun yung dining area natin. Yung second level naman is, this is ito, kung nakikita nyo na to, ito yung dining area nila. And the third level in which we're gonna, try their food are yung mga KTV rooms. So imagine, nadagdagan po yung mga family KTVs dito po sa Angeles City. This is a sample, ayan. Let's go to the other room. I think they have four KTVs, no? This is the second one. Hi, Isa! And then the third one is this one. Para naman tong nasa Japan. Look at this. Oh, diba? And then the last room is where we're gonna try their food is this one. Ito para naman tong nasa Thailand, no? Yun, no? Tingnan yung background natin. Kapon ka! And ayan. Food is starting to arrive. So, umpisahan na natin to. Gutom na ba kayo mga guys? Yes! This is it. This is our table. Yes. And grabe yung sinerve nila sa atin. I think this is good for 10 people. Sa tingin nyo?
From appetizer, desserts,
main dishes,
and kompleto.
I agree. So, siguro pangalanan natin yung mga kakilala natin.
Siyempre, unahin ko na dito sa mga favorites natin. Natin crispy pata, kare-kare bagnet, meron yung seafood salpicao, and yung kanilang tokwat kangkong. This one is bago sa atin to. Itong chicken seaweed roll.
A roll.
Yes.
Yeah.
So later titikman natin yan.
This one are the tacos. Siyempre, meron silang fruit platter. Meron silang pizza. Nakikita nyo naman yung pizza nila. It has 4 flavors in it. Meron silang meat packet. And parang bago din to, no? Silang burrito. And meron silang quesadilla.
So, and guys, if you notice, meron tayong mixed dishes, no? Meron tayong Mexican, Italian, Filipino. So, Cyril's Diner po is actually a mix of dishes, no? And just to let you know, nabanggit ko na to doon sa introduction natin. Na-feature natin sila way back 2021. Kita natin sa kanila, ito yun.
We discover great places for you to check
For
out.
today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Rosana Street, Balibago. We were right after like how many years? 4 years? This is it. This is how it looks like. Ang laki.
Napakaganda ng improvement at the same time, nandito pa rin yung mga favorites natin na dishes.
Yes. Hindi naman masyadong nagbago yung menu nila at as a matter of fact, nadagdagan. So all our favorite Cyril's Diner dishes way back before, available pa rin, and few new dishes that we'll surely enjoy. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Kain naman tayo.
Let's see!
Begin!